Welcome to the Waterway Downs Interactive V2I Real-Time User Guide. After installation, simply double-click the desktop icon to launch the application, and the loading screen will appear. Once you see an aerial view of the site, you can start interacting. Click and hold the left mouse button, and drag it across the screen to freely adjust the view angle. Use the slider on the right side of the screen to adjust the zoom level. Alternatively, you can use the mouse wheel to zoom in smaller increments. To pan across the site, navigate the mouse to any road or park surface on the site, and click the right mouse button to center the desired location on the screen. Additionally, you are able to access the Site tab in the menu bar. Clicking on Original Site, you can bring up a site plan and adjust its opacity to reveal the existing ground conditions underneath. Clicking on 12D Site, the 12D base of the proposed site will be displayed. To indicate the cut and fill required, simply click on Show Cut. You are also able to inspect these areas in more detail. By clicking on Explore in the menu bar, navigation options other than the default aerial view can be accessed. Clicking on Ground View and double-clicking on a specific part of the site allows you to set down to the ground. On the ground, use the WASD or arrow keys on your keyboard to walk across the site. You can look around freely by clicking, holding, and dragging the mouse across the screen. An additional way to navigate the site from an aerial vantage point is to launch a drone. The drone can be steered using the WASD or arrow keys, similar to the walking mode. Pressing the spacebar will cause the drone to gain altitude, while pressing the left control key will lower its altitude. Going back to the site menu, you are also able to toggle on a 3D view of the proposed site and foliage. And highlight all trees to be retained. In this view, you are once again able to set down to the ground to explore the 3D street and park areas in more detail. To get around faster, press the Shift key to accelerate. Clicking the Measure tab in the menu bar will access a number of measurement tools. The point-to-point measurement tool allows the user to accurately measure the distance between 2 points by simply adjusting the distance and locking the measurement in place by clicking the left mouse button. Measurements can be edited or deleted. The Height measurement tool facilitates the measurement of freestanding objects and can display any height entered in the value field. The Radius tool allows the user to place a center point anywhere on the site and drag out a circle with the desired radius, with its distance in meters indicated above the center point. At any point in time, the Capture feature in the menu bar allows you to take a snapshot of the scene. Exit this menu to take as many additional perspectives as desired. All snapshots can be viewed independently at the bottom left side of the screen. You are able to use the available tools to mark up each perspective, for example by highlighting areas, adding text annotations, and using the scribble tool to select a color and draw on the perspective. To export the marked up perspectives to a PDF file, click the PDF icon in the menu and save the file in the desired location on your PC. All drawings and annotations will be visible in your PDF viewer. To send the annotated snapshots directly via email, click on the email icon in the toolbar and enter your name, the recipient's email address, whether the PDF should be sent as a brochure with project contact information, and whether you would like to autofill this information in the future, and press Submit. Provided you are connected to the internet, the application will now directly send a link to the PDF to your listed recipients, confirming when this process has been successful. You are also able to delete each perspective individually by clicking on the respective symbol in the menu. Click on the Media tab in the menu bar to play existing drone footage of the site, and use the timeline at the bottom to advance through the video. Click on Stop Movie to exit the video. Clicking on View Stills accesses a number of site photographs, which can be viewed using the arrow buttons on the sides. Press Exit to return. Likewise, any other content such as site animations can be launched from the Media tab. To exit the application, click the button in the top right corner of the screen.